Hi, I'm Linda Kalata, Director of Clinical Applications for Mobius Therapeutics. The new USP 800 standards for healthcare workers handling hazardous drugs will become official and enforceable November 1st of 2023. This means that if you are storing compounded mitomycin in your facility, it will require that you store it in a dedicated refrigerator for hazardous drugs only, and that refrigerator must be kept in a negative pressure room with 12 air exchanges per hour externally vented. This is so that if something breaks or leaks while it's in storage, the staff would be protected from any vapors coming off the drug. Now, the Mitosol kit provides ophthalmic mitomycin that is prepared at the time of surgery at point of use. The kits do not require refrigeration, and because the drug itself is triple packaged within the kit, and the kit is clean of any residue, it can be handled safely without PPE and does not have any special storage requirements. It can be stored at room temperature and has a 2-year shelf life. Plus, it includes the closed system transfer device that will be required when preparing chemotherapy agents. Now, if you need to learn more about the new standards, Mobius Therapeutics has a learning module on its website. Go to the website and download the module. The information is free and it has helped many facilities prepare for compliance. I'm sure it can do the same for you.